Hello, welcome to my channel. I thought I would do an AliExpress haul video. All these items that I brought off of AliExpress cost me less than £11. Well, actually, sorry, cost me less than £12 with postage. It did take 3 weeks or so to come, but I'm not bothered about that. It's not something I needed urgently. If I needed something urgently for a design, I would go out and buy it. But these things are cheap. They're pretty useful to use. I'm proper hooked on AliExpress. I mean, all my embellishments are from AliExpress. All my nail files, even my e-file I brought off of AliExpress, which was an absolute bargain. And I will explain that in another video. Alright, so I'm going to go through my haul and just give you a bit of a review on each item, see how they go. Let me find my crayon. I don't have a wax pen. To be honest with you, I do like a katana, but then I thought to myself, I watched a video and someone was using a crayon. I was like, yeah boy, I'm going to use a crayon, because I got a box of 24 of these for £1. And they work brilliantly. So we're going to use my crayon. So let's do a review first on some of my items. So let's start off with this plastic nail mould for metal embellishments. Zoom in a bit. To be honest with you, I actually thought it would be a bit bigger than that, but it's small. It's not a problem. Hopefully it does the trick. So in it you get your base mould and your I've got to figure out what this is called. Someone might know. In the comments below would be lovely. Alright, so it's hard plastic, and it's cone, so it's wider at the top than it is at the bottom. I suppose that's for different size embellishments that you want. You put your embellishment in, push it together, and you just squeeze it. You take it out and you go yay or no. So I will be trying a set of nails using this, seeing how it goes with that. I have tried it on a brush, but I've never had no success. I find it difficult to try and keep hold of it. So I got the little star shape, which was fine. Right, so next I got some cutters. So I've got a C-curve cutter. So I thought I'd buy this V-shaped one and this other round one. So I'm not too sure. So anyway, so I thought they were like less than £1 each. It's worth a go. So this one is quite good. It's quite thick. Because of the dome, it's quite sturdy. It's quite a nice size material. I'll show you the difference in the other one in a minute. I'm not quite sure on how to use this one, really. To be honest with you, I'm not sure about the smile line that it give me. I don't know. It's worth a look. So the other one, and it's quite solid, that one. This one's quite a bit thinner. So like I say, you get what you pay for. So this one, it's extremely thin. And if you look, if you can see the difference between the two, this top one is a thicker material than this one. You know, it's worth a go. I could probably pinch them a little bit more, you know, mould it a little bit, as I say, whatever. We'll give it a go and see how it like, and see if it's any good. We will do a video using these implements and bits and pieces, but I just thought, you know, I'd do a review on them. Hopefully they'll be all right. You know, it's not too bad. It's not the end of the world. It was like 90p. You know, I spend more than that on stupidness. So that is them done. Now, what else have I got? You know what's a bit of a tricky thing to put in. So I bought a 3D brush. I think it's a size 3. I do not know. It doesn't have the size written on it. It does come in the tube, and it has also got the plastic cover for the tip. As you can see, I've not done it yet, so it's still got its manufacturer's hardness on. It needs to be cleaned and I can't think of the word. You'll know the word. You'll be screaming at me, but anyway, yeah, it needs that. I mean, you get to a certain point in your life and your memory just goes to pot. That's what happens when you get to the menopause. Right, so now we come to my gel stirrer. So I bought these because I've seen a lot of women use these to hold their nail tips on. I had to make sure that that was said right. So I bought 2 lots. They are different designs on each end. So this one is a pointy end, I suppose, for bubbles and moving embellishments and stuff like that. I just had an idea, but I'll try that another time. This one has a spoon on the end of it as well. They feel like a good quality metal. They don't feel like flimsy or anything. And this one's like a spatula. So that would be good for probably cutting out bits of acrylic as well that I need. These aren't just going to be for gels. I don't do gel. I'm actually qualified in acrylics. I don't do gel. I prefer acrylics because I feel that you can do a lot more with acrylics. So yeah, I've got them. So I bought 2 lots of those, which I was quite happy with, because then I can do a whole complete set of nails and then just show them off on something pretty. So that's what I got them for. Right, so now my metal embellishments. Let's do my hearts. So I've got this little packet of hearts. It says on it, For Beauty, and you know what? That could be the people that I brought it from off of AliExpress. To be honest, I don't know. I can't remember. I will look. I will put all the description and links and everything you need to know in the box below so that you are able to see where I got them. Have a look around on AliExpress. I do understand that they're having like a sale on. Like, you'd need it any cheaper, but they're having a sale on. So, yeah. Got different sizes. Well, actually, you ain't got different sizes. You just got different colours. You've got blacks, pinks, golds, silvers. They're quite nice. I'm having a bit of a mare trying to flip them over on my hand. Oh, Michelle. Anyway, so yeah, I thought I'd buy them because they're pretty. I buy all my embellishments and all my tools that I feel and, you know, that I need or want or whatever. I buy them from AliExpress. Because if you honestly 100% think about it, I've bought stuff from AliExpress and then I've bought the same thing in Britain and paid maybe 4 or 5 quid for it, where on AliExpress I paid probably 80 pence for the exact same item. So a lot of things I will shop around for. I won't just go, oh, just because that branded company is selling that for a £5, I'll just buy it for a £5, whereas I can buy the exact same thing from China for like £4 less, and which I have done. So a lot of my embellishments I buy abroad. Now this, oh, right, okay, these little squares, now they feel like the machining of them feels really good as well. There's no sharp edges. They feel pretty smooth. There's nothing hanging off, like there's no little tiny bits of metal or whatever. I think it's quite good. I'm quite happy with that. This won't pick it up off there because it's on my hand. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up off there. So that's them. Of stars, squares, hearts, circles. I don't know what shape you'd call that. And triangle. So you've got them in silver and gold. They're quite pretty. Now the squares look like they've got a little convex to them. So they don't sit flat. They sit a bit proud. And so do the triangles. I think they all do actually. I'm quite looking forward to using those. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to using those. So I bought 2 boxes of them because they were proper cheap. I've got a lot of stuff that I bought from AliExpress because, like, oh, it's only 80p, it's only 30p, and then in the end you think, oh my god, I've spent a tenner. And a tenner don't sound a lot, but it does when you look at the stuff you bought on AliExpress. So I bought the neons ones because neon is in at the moment. as you can tell with the colour of my nails, and they glow in the dark. Yeah, I just thought, why not? I can do some funky designs with them, see how they go. Probably put them with these as well, because they look like the same sort of colours. The green's a bit different, the pink looks the same, and so does the purple. On the orange, that's yellow. Oh, there's a green. No, the green's the same. That's cool. That's fine. So yeah, I'll be using them all together. Hopefully I'll come up with some reasonably nice design to use them all. Did I do my brush? Yes, I done my brush. Go away, midges. I live by the river, so I get midges because the weather's getting nice and the midges are being hatched in the trees as we speak. I'm used to it. I've lived there for 30 years, so it doesn't bother me. Right, so here is my haul. Let me just zoom out a bit. That is it. Alright, I zoom out a bit. So here is my AliExpress haul. That cost me less than £12 for all that lot. Now, to be honest with you, if you look for these items on eBay, they wouldn't be as cheap. I mean, if you bought all this off eBay, you probably get a better quality V-shaped one, because that one's proper pants. But to be honest with you, I'm really happy with that. You know, it's little things in life that make us women happy. The older you get, the more silly little things make you happier. I will be doing a video on using these items. I don't know if I'll do them on me. I might do a set on my hand. Take these ropey things off and just give my hands a proper looking after. They just look so terrible. Or I might do them on my this hand. So this hand is for another video, these nails. So actually I might put some of them on here, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I might actually use these silver ones on this index finger, because I'm going to try and start doing some videos, because why not? Show off the stuff I've got and enjoy it. And if I teach you something that I might know that could be right along the way, then hopefully I've been helpful. To be honest, if I didn't have YouTube videos, I wouldn't be doing nails, because I wouldn't even know where to start. Right, so I'm going to have fun now and figure out how to upload this video. I haven't done it for an extremely long time. Please subscribe if you like my channel. I shall be doing more videos. I've got to make more of an effort, so I will be doing more videos. Hit the like button, and if you would like, hit the bell, get some notifications just in case I've put up a new video. I'll try and get one video a week at the moment. You know, I'll do my best, but you know, life gets in the way and things don't always go to plan. So I shall be putting this video up tonight. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I hope it has been some sort of information for you. All the links for the products I have brought will be on the description box below, so you can have a look at yourself. Like I say, they're having a sale on, I believe, in the next couple of days, so get them a little bit cheaper. I love a cheap bargain, and I shall see you in my next video. You have a lovely evening. You take care. Thanks for watching. Ta-da. Bye.